Okay, so that was kind of a crazy thing that just went off. iPad did. For bigger milling, I use this guy. Done a lot of work with him. Then I use Excel mill down there as well, and shapers, and I have milling attachments for lathes and that as well. So sometimes I mill big pieces and little. This is a little guy. Where are we here? I'm making a T slot. I'm milling it as a small T slot using tungsten carbide at high speed, hand powered. This is a Craftex. I got this from Busy Bee Machine Tools in Canada. Built a stand for it. And what do we use? 2x8? Oh, 4x4 beams. Yeah, right. Okay. I like building things very strong. Oh, yeah. So anyway, what I'm doing is replicating a part. Walk, walk, walk. I'll probably hand finish it. It's a tiny part, but very essential for a compound. So I'll file it to shape, hand fit. Let's see how thick that is. Yeah, that's about right. Right height, right thickness. Ha! For one of these cataract lathes, okay? I had a missing part, so I had two, supposed to be two of these, so I'll file it and bend it to shape. I already drilled and tapped the hole. And fit it to shape, use bluing and all that good stuff. Oh, I'm keeping busy. I'm keeping busy, Bones. For that milling machine, I use it quite a bit. For parts, medium to small. And I use the other milling machines for big stuff, or the shaper. And what else we got cooking? That's basically it for today. What else is new? It's fun. You can use lathes for milling too if you have a milling attachment. And I got a big fat milling attachment. I think it came from the same company. Busy Bee Machine Tools some years ago. No, I could have done it here, I suppose. But this is a milling attachment. Pretty heavy duty. Hard to see it in this kind of light. The lighting in here is terrific. Horrible. So, put the piece of work in there and then bring it up to the chuck, 4-jaw chuck, put a reamer in there or a tungsten carbide. Yesterday I put a reamer in the 3-jaw chuck and press fitted it into a chunk of steel. It fit perfect. It's the right size reamer as well. Wow. Now building parts for this guy. So that piece you saw on the milling machine goes in that slot there. It's missing one piece, so luckily there were two pieces, or one piece I could copy and put this together. Already made the tool post, that's where I use the reamer. Red tool post. And that fits perfect. I like good, perfect fits of things, so. That guy's will be ready to go. This guy is already done. Probably see me use it. faceplate. Made the faceplate as well as a few other parts for it. So I don't know what this part is for yet. I'm using a magnet to hold it on there. This T-slotted piece here, I'm not sure. It's very heavy, bolts on the side of the lathe. I'll figure it out someday. But as for now, I'll finish up. Clean the machine tools, all of them. And I use this guy quite a bit for all the different small parts. Little drill press. Alrighty, well, shut up. I'm getting a shipment in of stuff. A pile of radio gear. Is it sunny out today? Oh, sunlight. Fantastic. Alright.